demands skill, it's slower for heavy work, and needs clean, calm conditions. This really raises that crucial question. Knowing all these pros and cons, how do engineers, designers, welders actually decide when TIG is the absolute right tool for a specific job versus maybe a faster or simpler process?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It often comes down to the application's requirements. Is flawless quality the number one priority? Are you working with thin materials or reactive metals? Is hydrogen cracking a major concern? If yes, then TIG likely wins, despite the challenges.
So it's driven by the demands of the final product.
Exactly. If it's heavy structural steel where speed is key and the appearance isn't critical, another process might be better. But for that aerospace component, that food-grade pipe, that critical root pass, TIG's capabilities are often non-negotiable.
What an incredible journey through TIG welding. We've gone from the basics of the arc right through that intricate dance of current, polarity, speed, tip shape, all these variables. Hopefully this deep dive leaves you, our listener, feeling much more clued in on why TIG is the champion for quality and precision.
It really is a fascinating process. It shows how controlling seemingly small details can have such a massive impact on the final result. Mastering TIG is all about understanding those nuances and their ripple effects to create something that's not just joined, but truly well crafted.
Absolutely. So next time you see a beautifully made metal joint, maybe on a custom bike frame, a fancy kitchen sink, even part of a building structure, you'll have a much better appreciation for the science and incredible skill that might have gone into making it with TIG. It makes you think, what intricate processes exist in your own field, things that look simple on the surface but actually rely on incredibly precise control of variables? What surprising effects do those tiny adjustments have?
And here's a final thought to ponder. Given how demanding TIG is, in terms of both the welder's skill and the setup time involved, where do you think the future innovations in welding tech will focus? Will it be on making TIG easier to use, maybe through more automation or smarter power sources, without sacrificing that incredible, unparalleled quality that makes it so valuable in the first place? Where's that balance point?